So I was talking about simple past tense. It is used to describe an action completed in the past. Okay, so I received your letter yesterday. Next is here to indicate habitual action in the past. Okay, so means your habit was there and that was there in the past now, but you have changed your habit for your past habit. You will use simple past tense here. Next is your past continuous tense. So past continuous tense, it is used to describe an action going on at a point or period of time in the past. Like if I will ask you what you were doing at 11 o'clock yesterday, so I asked you for that particular time of 11 o'clock, but I asked you in the past, so there you give the answer in the past continuous. I was attending my class at 11 o'clock yesterday. Okay, so at 6 a.m this morning I was doing my homework. Means at the in the past time, what action you were doing at that particular time, there you write this past continuous tense. So in past continuous tense, was, were and ing with the first form of the verb here. Next is there past perfect tense, to indicate an action was completed at some point in the past time before another action commenced or took place. So past perfect, it is used to indicate the action that was completed in the past. Your work, it was completed in the past before the other work you have started doing there. Like by the time I reached the station, the train had left. Means one action commenced and other is completed. By the time I reach the station means you have reached the station and the train had left. There you use the past perfect tense here. Next is there past perfect continuous tense. So here same like to describe an action which began in the past and continued up to a certain point of time in the past. Next is your simple future tense. So simple future tense, it is used to describe an action which is yet to happen. Means in the coming day, the action it will start here. Like I shall go to Agra tomorrow. Here action, it is yet to happen. It is not completed. It is not continuing. It is going to happen. He will come here on my birthday here. Okay, so simple future tense can be expressed in many ways. So simple future tense can be expressed in many ways without using verb in the simple future tense, like by using simple present tense also. Our exam begins on 4th March. So in this tense, what is there? So here this shows begins on 4th of March. This date, it shows you about the future here. The meeting starts within an hour. It tell you about the future. Okay, simple future tense it talk, but it is written there in the simple present tense form. So by using present continuous also we can talk about the simple future. Like I'm leaving for Germany tomorrow. They are planning to attack us. Means here though it is a present continuous, but it is telling you about the future action here. Next is there future continuous tense. Future continuous tense, so to describe an action that will be continuing at a given point of time in future. So in future, that at a given time that action can start here. Like tomorrow at this time. Now here at this time it tell you about the future continuous. I shall be taking my test here. What will you be doing this evening? Okay, so here particular time is there this evening, at this moment, at this time it is given there, at that particular time. What the action, how the action will be continuing, that you will express in future continuous tense here. Next is there future perfect tense. So it is used to describe the action that will be completed. Suppose you thought that you will complete your work by that time, so that you will express in future perfect tense here. Like by the end of this month we shall have shifted to our new house. By the before you reach his home, he will have left his place. So I shall have returned from school by that time. So that time before you reach, by the end of this month means it is showing about the given point of time and how the action will be completed here. Next is your future perfect. So in the future perfect also, the action, it will be in progress, the action will be in progress, and it will start at a time and continues throughout the day. Like for tomorrow, you will start attending your classes, okay, in the morning, and it will go up to 2:30, so that you will express in future continuous tense here. Okay, so how to form negative and interrogative. So in case of negative sentence, you will add not after the helping verb, and in case of interrogative sentences, you will write firstly the helping verb, and then like am I writing, have I written, or have I been writing. So here the helping verb you will write to make the question of these tenses here. Okay, so in this way beta, your exercises are there. So this is very simple exercise to rewrite the following sentences changing the verbs into past. So here the verb that you will change into past, the officer orders all those who feel afraid of death to return to the trenches. So here first form it is given that you have to change into the past tense like ordered. The police, the officer ordered all those. Next is there, I wondered what he had done to the money I lent him. Okay, so here what is there, you have changed it into the simple past tense is there accordingly. Next is there, rewrite the following sentences changing the verb into present tense and in future. Firstly you will change into present, then in the future tense. Like we bound him hand and foot and held him fast. So here firstly you will change into present tense. So how will you change? We bind him hand and foot and hold him fast. If you want to change into future, so how will you? We will bind him hand and foot and will hold him fast. Next is there, the boy who chose the best book for his study found his reward. So the boy who chooses, simple present, who chooses, and simple future, who will choose. Okay, who will choose here. So in this way you will complete this one exercise and this one also. Supply the proper tense or the form of the verb given in the bracket. So here like here first is there, he gain a prize for reading correctly. So here means already the action is completed. Okay, he read the correctly and he got the award. And so how will you change it? He gained a prize for reading correctly here. Have you carry out my instruction? So here have it is written. So this is the case of present perfect. Okay, so how will you change it? Have you carried out my instructions? Okay, they wait for their friends to come up. They waited for their friends. So in this way you will change the verbs here given in the bracket here. In each sentence two verbs have been shown as underlined, but only one of them has been correctly used. Strike out the verb wrongly used. So here you have to find out which verb is incorrectly used and which is the correct one here. I left the school last year. So here action is talking about the last year action that was completed. I have matriculated from Bombay University in 1885. So this is also the past action. I matriculated from Bombay University in 1985. So my dear children, you will complete this one exercise also. So thank you. Okay, watch the video clearly and try to complete your work here.